In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete portfolio collection on Wix. If you're cleaning up your site's work samples or reorganizing how projects are grouped, deleting a portfolio collection can help keep things tidy. A collection in Wix Portfolio is essentially a folder that groups related projects and feeds certain galleries or pages on your site. Removing one will also remove its connection to any galleries powered by that collection, so make sure you're set on the change before you proceed. Start on your site dashboard. On the left-hand panel, look for Portfolio. This is the hub for everything related to the Wix Portfolio app. Give it a click to open the Portfolio workspace. Inside the Portfolio area, choose Collections. This view lists all the collections you've created, such as categories like client work, photography, case studies, or any custom groups you set up. Take a moment to identify the exact collection you want to remove. It's a good idea to read the title carefully so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one, especially if you have similar names. When you've found the right collection, move your cursor over it and click the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as the More Actions menu. From that small menu, select Delete. Wix may prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is your final checkpoint to ensure you're removing the correct collection. Confirm, and the collection will be deleted from your portfolio. A quick note on what happens next. The collection itself is gone, and any portfolio sections on your site that relied on it may become empty or stop displaying items until you connect them to a different collection. The individual projects that were inside the collection typically remain in your overall projects list unless you've removed those separately, but they'll no longer be grouped under that deleted collection. If you're managing a live site, it's smart to refresh your published pages and check any galleries or portfolio sections that reference the deleted collection, just to make sure everything still looks the way you expect. If something appears blank, you can connect that section to a different existing collection later, and that's all there is to it. From your site dashboard, open Portfolio, go to Collections, use the three-dot menu on the collection you no longer need, and choose Delete. Quick, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to continue tidying up your portfolio so visitors see only the most relevant work.